Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will start with Smart Charts, chapter number 12, session 1. Chi Chi Meow Meow. Yamini did a project, Animals and Birds. She asked each child of her class about one favorite pet animal. She used telemark to record each answer. For example, if someone said cat, she put one line in front of cats. When someone said cat again, she added a line. So, 2 lines means 2 cats and 5 lines means 5 cats. In all, 24 children said cat was their favorite animal. Help Yamini complete the table. Recording telemarks. See how she recorded telemark. If someone says cat, she will put line like this. When someone again said cat, she will put like this. If someone again say cat, then like this. If 4 people said cat, then like this, and if 5 people said cat, then like this. Right? Now see this telemarks. So as we can see, for cats it is 5 plus 5 10 plus 5 15 plus 5 20 plus 4 24. 24 children like cat. For dogs, 5 plus 5 10 plus 5 15 plus 5 20 plus 5 25 plus 5 30 plus 2 32. Right? So 32 children like dog. For rabbits, 5 plus 5 10 children like rabbit. Cows, 20 plus 2 22 children like cows. Parrot, 5 plus 3 8. Goats, 5 plus 5 10 plus 5 15 plus 5 20 children like goats. Squirrel, 5 plus 5 plus 5 15 children like squirrel. Now look at the questions given below. Look at the telemarks and write the number for each animal in the table. We have already done it. How many children in all did Yamini talk to? So for total number of children, we have to calculate these numbers. That is 24 plus 32 plus 10 plus 22 plus 8 plus 20 plus 15. It will be 131. So Yamini talked to 131 children. Which is the most favorite pet animal in this table? So as you can see, dog is the most favorite animal in this table because 32 children like dog as their pet. Which pet will you like to have? What will you name it? And which other animal can be kept at home? Discuss. So you can write your answer like this. Your answer could be different from my answer. So I would like to have dog as a pet. I will name it tiger. We can also keep cats and parrots as pet if we live in cities, and we can keep cow and goats also if we live in village. Look at this picture. You can see some means of transport. A girl is counting something on the road. Alongside you can also see a store of a snack. Let us see what it is. Sumita stood on the road for half an hour and counted the number of vehicles passing by. She made a telemark for each vehicle. This helped her in counting quickly the total number of vehicles in each group. Here is our working. Cycles. So for cycles you can see 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 plus 3, 28. So write the number of each vehicles in the table. So for cycle it is 28. For car it is 5 plus 5, 10 plus 2, 12. For auto rickshaw 5 plus 5, 10 plus 5, 15 plus 3, 18. For bus it is 15. For cycle rickshaw it is 24. And for truck it is 6. So how many vehicles in all did Sumita see on the road in half an hour? So for total number of vehicles we have to add all this: 28 plus 12 plus 18 plus 15 plus 24 plus 6. It is 103. Auto rickshaws are thrice the number of trucks. See, auto rickshaws you can see it is 18, truck 6, 6 3s are 18. So this statement is true. Make telemarks for 7 more buses and 2 more trucks. Let us make it 7 for buses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 2 more trucks. 1, 2. Try yourself. Take a round in your colony. Find out how many types of tree you can see there. Do you know their names? You can make drawings. Use telemarks to note the number of different trees. But for now, as you are in lockdown, don't go outside for this activity, right? Stay at home. Helping hands. In the EVS period, the teacher asked children whether they helped their parents at home. There were different answers. Children named the work in which they helped their parents the most. The teacher collected answers and made a table. See, this is the table. Children who are going to the market are 47, who are washing utensils are 15, washing clothes are 3, making and serving food, who are helping their parents in making and serving food, it is 25, cleaning the house are 10. So total number of children who said they helped their parents are 100. Now you can fill the chapati chart to show the numbers given in the table. See this: 47 who are going to the market, 25 who are making serving food, 15 who are washing utensils, 3 who help their parents in washing clothes, and 10 is already given, cleaning the house. Look at and find out children who help in making or serving food. It means this one, the one in light orange color. So they are 1/4 of the children who helped their parents in making and serving food. Practice time after school. Ask 10 of your friends about what they like to do most after school. So some activities are given here, like watching TV, playing football, reading storybooks, right? So this you will do it by yourself. Ad mad. Ragini loves to watch cartoons on television. One day she thought of counting a number of ads during the breaks. She found that in each break there were 14 advertisements. In 10 of those ads there were children as actors. So why do you think that children are used in so many ads? Children are used in so many advertisements because cartoons are mostly watched by children. Use telemarks to count the number of ads during a short break in a program. Were the ads during the news program? Yes, during the news program also there are ads. Try yourself. Next time when you watch your favorite TV program, count the number of advertisements during each break. Use tally marks and put a dot below the tally mark when you find children in any advertisement. This also you will do it by yourself. Compare with your friends. Do you get different answers? If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe the channel. Thank you and have a nice day.